Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to fix Snapchat notifications not working on iPhone. So if you don't get any notification from your Snapchat app unless you open Snapchat app, I'll show you how you can fix this error. So the first solution is make sure the silent mode is turned off. So turn off your iPhone silent mode and then open your iPhone control center and make sure your do not disturb mode is turned off. And then follow the second steps. Go to your iPhone settings and tap on notifications. Here scroll down and just tap on Snapchat. And now we have to enable notification for Snapchat app. Once you enabled, and now under alert section, make sure to check these three options: lock screen, notification center, and banners. And now on, you should get Snapchat notifications on your iPhone lock screen and in your iPhone notification center. Also, you will get notification as banner. And now go back from here. And the next solution is go to your iPhone settings again. And now scroll down and tap on General. And now here tap on Background App Refresh. Tap on Background App Refresh. Make sure to select Wi-Fi and Cellular. And go back from here. And also enable Snapchat here. And now on, you should get your Snapchat notifications on your iPhone without opening Snapchat app. And after following all of these solutions, if you're still facing the same error, then all you have to need uninstall your Snapchat app and then you have to reinstall the Snapchat app. And that's it. If you find this video help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.